Today I'm going to tell you that lumbar spine may not be the one that causing your pain. Hello everyone, welcome to Benphysio. Today we're going to talk about something called lumbar spondylosis. Now another word we call it bone spur. Now in medically we call it lumbar spine because they can see a lot of spurs around your lumbar bone, which is your low back bone. And a lot of people or a lot of medical practitioners always refer it to as a pain source of your pain source, okay, low back pain. Actually it's not really true. Okay, if you refer to my video previously, right, how the bone spur formation. And today I'm going to tell you that lumbar spine may not be the one that causing your pain. Okay, so what caused your vertebrae to so close to each other? It was because of your backbone muscles are so stiff and reduce the space between the vertebrae. So at the end, your vertebrae will keep on rubbing, friction, and therefore inflammation, and therefore bone spur comes in. So in order to treat your pain, you are not focusing on your spur, you should be focusing on your posture, your muscle stiffness. Okay, so I hope you learned something today.